This is our Honda Civic Type R, and we've thrown all of our best gear at it. The Civic Type R, Honda's golden child, built to shred tracks, scare BRZs, and show that front-wheel drives are fun. It's the JDM equivalent of under-promise and over-deliver. Now, Honda says this is track ready out of the box. And don't get me wrong, it's a lot of fun. But if you really want to send it, you're gonna want to get some gear. We've got sway bars thick enough to double as gym gear. We've also got lowering springs, anti-lift kit, adjustable camber arms, and adjustable toe arms too. Today, we're out here in the mountains where the phone service is sketchy, but the corners are sharp, to show you exactly what happens when you fully whiteline a Type R. Spoiler alert, it's grip activated. Before we dive into exactly how we turn this hot hatch into a mountain road menace, let's rewind a bit. Stock, the Type R is peak hot hatch with over 300 horsepower and acceleration that'll genuinely make you excited for your daily commute. It also has styling that stands out against the traffic without looking like a Fast and Furious wannabe. And let's be honest, the Type R is the GOAT of front-wheel drive, going toe-to-toe with all-wheel drive heavyweights such as the Golf R. But as good as Honda made it, why settle for good when great is only a few suspension modifications away? First up, Whiteline's anti-lift kit. Despite it sounding like it belongs on a plane, it reduces wheel hop and increases traction during acceleration, keeping your tires glued to the road, turning every corner exit into a slingshot. This is a must to make the most out of the 300 horses under the hood. Next up, Whiteline sway bars. These aren't just metal bars, they are torsion bars designed to dramatically cut body roll. Thicker bars means less lean and more control when you throw it into corners. They're also adjustable, allowing you to change your car's handling to your driving style. This is especially important to balance oversteer and understeer in a front-wheel drive. And then there are lowering springs. Sure, your Type R might look sick when it's lower, but this modification is not just about stance. Lowering springs means a lower center of gravity, less weight transfer, and better handling through corners. It's style and performance wrapped into one sweet package. Adjustable camber arms, essential for precision alignment. These babies let you dial in exactly how your tires hit the asphalt, maximizing grip, handling, and tire life. Think of it as a TLC for your tires. They'll love you. Finally, adjustable toe arms. They're here to fine-tune exactly how your wheels point straight ahead. More stability, sharper steering feel, and precise handling, whether you're on the track or on the street. But enough talk. Let's really see how these mods perform once the road gets twisted.
Finally taking the car out on the road, it was honestly insane. The first thing I noticed was how much more balanced the car felt through corners. Body roll was basically gone. The sway bars and lowering springs completely changed how the car handled. It turned in sharper, rotated more naturally, and just felt more alive in every corner. Being able to balance the oversteer and understeer really helped bring the car to life. It shot out of every corner like it wanted to go faster. When I got on the throttle, the front end stayed planted. The power actually got through the ground instead of understeering, which, when that turbo kicks in, is an achievement. That anti-lift kit was definitely putting in the work. It felt like how the car was supposed to come from the factory. Don't get me wrong, the car is awesome before the mods, but it felt like the engineers got one more shot at tuning it and decided to go all in on the fun. And the best part, even with all of the upgrades, it was still surprisingly comfortable. It was tighter, sure, but it didn't throw me around. Totally daily drivable. The hardest part is trying to stick to the speed limit.
After spending the day carving up the mountains, what's the verdict? This is an absolute beast and so much fun to drive. Whether it's your daily driver or your track toy, these performance modifications bring the car to life without sacrificing on comfort. Whether you're hitting those apexes or going to the local coffee shop, these modifications are set up to bring your Type R Civic to life. If you want to grab some Whiteline gear for yourself, head over to the Whiteline website today. You can check out all the gear we have on this Type R Civic and more. If you like what you've seen here today, hit that subscribe button, chuck us a like, and leave a comment below on what car you'd like to see us tackle next. And as always, stay hyped, stay tuned, and most importantly, stay grip activated.